What's up, everybody? It's Tim Rose back again. This time I got a review for you. This is a night caddy. The night caddy is like this thing I've been getting ads. I don't know if it was like the FBI guy or the NSA or Facebook reading my mind, but when I was building the van out, I wanted like a little nightstand, but I didn't want it to take up any space. So I started getting ads for this night caddy. I impulsively bought it, and I'm gonna review it for you, basically show you what it looks like. And for the van guys who might be interested in the night caddy, I really think I found a better way to mount it because the construction's not so great. And so I hope you enjoy this video. Check it out. What's up, everybody? It's your boy again. I just want to do a quick review of the night caddy. I don't know if you guys have been getting ads for like little nightstands. This thing's pretty cool. Couple things. Number one, first con is that it's 45 bucks. I mean, this is like a piece of plastic with a wire attached to it, and it's $45. That's insanity to me. Because I live in my van and it's a limited amount of space, this product appealed to me. What I liked about it is that, you know, it's just right in arm's length. I like LaCroix and like, you know, a can of something by my bed. So having it right there is nice. And also there's a little outlet for your charging your phone. I guess the only design tip I wish they would have done is that, you know, this would be really awesome if it would stay up like this. It would be way better if it was right there. And if they had engineered a piece of plastic to go in between the two upper parts that was removable, then it would stay there. But as soon as I bought it, it started to fall. So yeah, I mean, overall the product's pretty good. The wire thing is just kind of cheap, and sometimes it, you know, it'll like move around and end up like that, which I don't like. So what I've decided to do is just take some 3M Velcro type stuff, and I'm gonna put it on the wall.
A few moments later.
There you have it. Little 3M dual lock action. I can get rid of this thing. I mean, most people that live in a house probably wouldn't have anywhere to do this, but I like this way better. So, and it matches my paint job. I mean, who doesn't like that? Anyway, hope you like this review, and leave a comment. Van life forever. So there it is, man. I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, real simple video. It's a little overpriced, but I made it work for me. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. If you made your own nightstand, put me on. Maybe I'll buy yours instead. Since I put it on, the thing's been working great. Always, you know, when you live the van life, the van's never done. I'm always down to change stuff in the van. So if you think you have a better idea than this, please drop a comment. And again, shout out to the patrons on Patreon. You guys made this happen. My van is such a comfortable living space. It's a fully mobile production studio. I'm making music in it every day. I got a beat tape coming for you very soon. Make sure to like and subscribe, and much love. Peace, and D'Angelo's Chicken Grease.